Welcome to another episode of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you. We have a very, very secret recipe today. I have to say secret because since 2011, since Novia was open, we had never shown how to make this delicious recipe until now. And I'm going to tell you why. I think it's the best recipe ever for a spicy edamame.
Edamame.
Yes, absolutely the best. Anyone who's tried it, they're actually licking the bowls. They're licking the bowls when there's no more edamame left on the plate. But hands down, you guys can do this at home. Very, very simple, and you'll be the star of any party. So here, let's show everyone what the ingredients are.
Sure. Of course, edamame here.
Okay.
It's a frozen one. So after that, I'm gonna do a quick put into the boiling water.
Okay.
And then strain out. That's the first thing you need to do. Soy sauce, chopped garlic. This is ichimi togarashi, chili pepper.
Okay.
Sesame oil, and the butter.
And butter.
That's it.
Okay. Very, very good. So simple. Trust me when I tell you, you guys have to try this at home. This has been a recipe of ours that we never let out. We never showed anyone on YouTube until now. So.
Ready?
Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna make a whole package, right?
Yeah, make a whole package.
Whole package. That's what I hear about that.
Right.
Okay. First, the boiling water first.
Okay.
And then everything throw into. And then after water started boiling, that's already.
Okay. Then and how much in weight was there? The edamame?
How much weight?
About a pound?
This package is 1 pound.
1 pound.
1 pound.
Okay.
454 grams.
454 grams. Easy. These are so good. And edamame is actually like a perfect food. It's protein, very healthy for you. Nothing better on this earth than edamame.
Okay, so water already started boiling, so I'm gonna strain out.
Okay, we're ready to go. And there's no oil here at all?
Yeah, we don't need to put the oil.
Okay.
Especially this is a Teflon. Not really.
Doesn't stick, yes. Okay, very good, Hiro.
Also, very good tool, this one.
We just saw this at Food Town. You can see my personal channel where I talk about this. A lot of information where to buy this wok. And what temperature you want this at, Hiro? You want it hot?
Yeah, it just be hot. But
okay.
Of course, we haven't seen a long time,
Oh yes, my temperature gun. Ready? 290 degrees, 290. Just like that.
Yeah, I feel a little bit hot. First I'm gonna throw in
418, just like that. Wow.
Just go like that.
Okay.
And after that, you can put the butter in it.
Okay.
And the next one is the garlic.
Okay.
And now you can start smelling, right?
Smells great. Butter with that garlic, so good.
And then the sashimi or ichimi chili pepper.
Okay.
As much you want. If you want spicy, you can put more.
Yeah, there's no real recipe. You guys do whatever you like. More or less of whatever is fine. It's all going to be amazing. Wait till you try this. Oh, it smells good already. So good. Like I said, this has been a recipe at Novi since 2011. One of the most popular dishes on the appetizer list.
And then the soy sauce, and then the sesame oil. That's it.
Wow, smell that. Unbelievable, Hiro.
Like that.
So good. So good. And so quick and easy.
Yep.
Look at this. Unbelievable. Wow, Hiro. Well, hope you guys at home really do try this. You are going to amaze your family and friends. Thank you, Hiro,
Thank you very
for
much.
sharing this very, very well-kept secret from the rest of the world. Until now. See you in the next episode, Hiro.
See you.
Bye-bye. Okay, Hiro-san.
Yes.
The best part of all,
Tasting.
tasting part. I love these spiced edamame. They are so good. Okay, enjoy.
Parts. Sure. It is parts.
You guys, I'm telling you, this is one recipe that's so simple. You find all the ingredients pretty much in your local grocery store.
Can put a little more spices might be good.
Can't find the togarashi, then maybe, what else can I use? Maybe some kind of chili, maybe some cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper maybe. It's good.
Yeah, so good. Look at these little whole bowl of these. So much better than just regular steamed edamame with some rock salt, you know, or sea salt.
Yeah, garlic is really good, right? Garlic and soy sauce.
It's great because the garlic's not burnt, not overcooked. It's just done right.
Yeah, garlic, but you need to be a little bit cooked, you know.
Yeah,
You need to.
so good, Hiro. Some beer would be wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
See you soon.